Hey YouTube, Mark Crawford here. I wanted to show you our propane heater. It was an excellent find at the local Goodwill store. This unit is 25,000 BTU. It's vent free, so you don't have to run a vent to the outside of your house. It is thermostatically controlled, and it does have a blower or electrical core. The only reason for that is for the blower, which is optional. This one had it included, which was really cool. And it does have the safety oxygen depletion sensor, so it'll shut it off. And let's see what else. It has an easy push button ignition, very easy to light. And these retail for like $300. Well, I picked this one up in the heat of summer. It's like 102 degrees at the local Goodwill, and they had $7 on it. It was still in the box, brand new. Unbelievable. It came from a local Job Corps program. They evidently had it in their warehouse and never used it and just wanted to get rid of it, so they donated it. Which was really cool. I was happy to get it for $7. Now, it did cost me a little extra money because I blew out the solenoid in it. As some of y'all know by looking at my other videos, we have a 100-pound tank that holds about 25 gallons of propane that is portable. And when you set up a tank like that, you virtually get no help for regulation valves, pressure valves, things like that. So it took me a little trial and error. And at first I put the wrong valve on it and sent too much pressure to the house in general, but especially this heater. And the solenoid for the heater couldn't handle it. So I blew it out. I got online. I found it for $25. So all in all, $32, and we have a working heater, and it's keeping us very toasty. Settings go up to 5. We've never had it over 2.5. 3 is just way too hot. And we're heating about 600 square foot. Our cottage in the woods, basically our living area, kitchen and living room, bathroom. But just wanted to show you what you can find at Goodwill. And I know some of you are probably laughing. I've got it set up on a cinder block right now because in our house we don't have our trim done at all anywhere in our house. You can see the sheetrock in the window there. Anyway, figured once I get the trim on, then I'll slap this up on the wall so it fits right between the trim, hopefully. I think it's like 27, 28 inches wide, something like that. Give you an idea of the size of it. But these are great heaters. I understand this particular model takes propane or natural gas without conversion kit. That's pretty cool too. But anyway, if you like this type of thing, finding cool items at thrift stores, or that's one of the things we do for spare income. We find things and turn around and sell them. We also have all kinds of things related to sustainable, frugal living. If you check out our link below and go to our website, we have articles, videos. We're trying to get more up as we go. If you're interested in something particular and you don't see something, or one of our projects that we don't have documented yet, and you'd like for me to rush it up, I'll see what I can do. Anyway, just wanted to show this to you, and thanks for viewing. God bless.